Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss microwave spectrometer. Now, in this lecture we will discuss information derived from rotational spectra. First, molecular structure. The most important information that one can get from rotational spectra is detail about the molecular structure. Rotational constant can be obtained with the very high accuracy. Information about the position of atom in molecule is obtained from the very following three rotational constant, from which three principal movement inertia I, A, IB and IC of the molecule can be obtained. A is equal to h upon 8 pi square IC IA into C. B will be the h upon 8 pi square IB into C, and C will be the h upon 8 pi square IC into C. A diatomic molecule, there is only one observable principal movement of the inertia, which along the atomic masses give the interatomic distance. I is equal to mu r square, that is r is equal to bracket I into 1 upon m1 plus 1 upon m2 bracket raised to 1/2, where m1 and m2 are the masses of the two atoms. A linear molecule of n atom has general n-1 band distance to be determined. In this case, also only one band distance can be obtained from rotational spectra. However, the additional n-2 bond distance have to be obtained by the isotopic substitution, as interatomic distance are varied under isotopic substitution. From symmetric tops, also only one moment of inertia can be obtained from the rotational spectra. Therefore, one requires the rotational constant of many different isotopically substituted species as their unknown structural parameter, that is bond length and bond angle. For asymmetric top, it is possible to get all the three principal movement of inertia from rotational spectra, which can give only three molecular parameter. The additional necessary equation to be determine all parameter have to be obtained by the determine the moment of inertia of isotopic species of the same molecule when it is not possible to get sufficient isotopic combination of microwave data which with from the other source is done determination of structure. At this stage, probably it is appropriate to distinguish between hypothetical equilibrium distance Re and the average distance in ground vibrational state R0. The distance Re corresponds to hypothetically vibrational less state of the molecule. However, in ground vibrational state, the molecule has vibrational energy of half hv, and the R0 value obtained from B0 of the average value interatomic distance over the vibration. The band distance Re can be calculated from the value Be, which one can get from the Re value does not changes isotope substitution. However, R0 depend on the isotopic substitution. Sum of molecular constant determined from rotational spectra. The force constant band can also estimate from the value rotational constant B and rotational distortion constant D. We have V bar is equal to 4b cube upon D. V bar is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into C under root of K upon mu, where force constant K is given by K is equal to 16 pi square C square mu into B cube upon D. Now second, dipole moment. This is determine the electric dipole moment of possible from microwave spectroscopy by the measurement of Stark effect. Arrangement exists to measure dipole moment value as low as 0.05 dB. Moreover, Stark effect data gives the value dipole moment is appropriate vibrational level. Dipole moment can also through the light one nature molecular band. The dipole moment value of sum of molecular determined by the microwave spectroscopy. Atomic mass. The very high resolution possible in microwave spectroscopy allow it is used for determination of atomic masses. The rotational spectra of molecular and isotopes gives P and B dash where prime reference to isotope molecule. B is equal to H upon 8 pi IC. B dash is equal to H upon 8 pi square I dash C. B upon B dash is equal to I dash upon I is equal to mu dash upon mu. From the known value of mu, one can evaluate mu dash from which masses of isotope may be the estimated. Nuclear quadrupole movement. Measurement of quadrupole hyperfine structure in molecule gives the quantity E square Q, the quadrupole coupling constant. For the evaluation of E, Q, our knowledge for the quantity Q is necessary, which can estimate by the overstudy. However, a knowledge Q is necessary determination of the ratio of the quadrupole movement different isotope of the sum element, and this can be precisely evaluated from microwave measurement. Now this will be the information derived from the rotational spectra. Thank you so much.